At Nari First, we believe a woman who nurtures life can also create empires. And today, we bring you the voice of our unstoppable mompreneur. Our guest today is a Nari First winner, a mother of a beautiful one-year-old daughter, from the conservative small village, Khera in Punjab, to creating two state-of-art skin studios in the biggest cities in North India, in Ludhiana and in Gurugram. This is the story of my very dear friend, Dr. Rupinder Khera.
Hi Ekta.
Hey!
Welcome to my clinic.
Thank you. अब नारी फर्स्ट के बाद हम अब मिल रहे हैं सीजन 3 के बाद.
Yes.
You know, I was just talking to Namrata. This looks amazing.
Oh, thank you. Let me show you around. We are
Yeah,
all set now. We are having patients in for treatments, and the clinic is all set up. Let's take a tour.
Sure.
Ekta,
Wow. I love this wall.
Of course, you know how to relate with the patients. They have to understand who you are, where you come from.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to feel like a beginner here. I've been practicing for quite some time. So it makes me a relatable, approachable person. These are
ये
our
room में
treatment
क्या होता
rooms. Yes. ये हमारा room बस multiple treatments here. We have got Hydrafacial MD here. We've got Exilis for skin tightening. We've got Pico laser for pigmentation. We've got Soprano for hair removal. So one room, many devices.
तो मुझे ये बताओ, अगर मुझे नम्रता को नारी फर्स्ट की लड़कियों को यहाँ पे फिलर्स कराने या बोटॉक्स कराने को डिस्काउंट तो देगी?
Always. My discounts are always open for all the Nari First girls. First, they are always the first priority.
Thank you, and I hope the girls are listening also.
Yes, yes. And Ekta, let me tell you one thing. जैसे आप कहीं जाओगे ना बड़े शहर में clinics में, you will feel so claustrophobic because you know to increase ROI they make very small rooms so that you can have more people at a time. We have kept our rooms very big and spacious, you know, so that you feel special. Like this is a dedicated laser hair removal room. You are here for full body laser and you are in here for 4, 5, 6 hours having your tea, coffee.
I mean, I love the size and the privacy a woman gets here.
Yes.
जब लेजर कराना हो कुछ किया, you have a whole room to yourself. ना मुझे तो लगता है जब मैं down and depressed होती हूँ, पहले होता था shopping at the age when you're in your 20s and 25, 30. अब होता है when I am down and depressed, I want to visit a skin dermatologist.
Let me take you to the OT. We've got
Okay, so
state
this
of
is
the
your
art
OT?
OT, yes. We just had a hair transplant here yesterday, and it is dedicated for hair transplant only. We don't use this room for anything else, so that there's no infection, there's no
So
cross
ladies आती है
contamination.
hair transplant के लिए?
Of course, you know some females have this very extended, large forehead. Transplanted hair are your hair. उनको cut करो, color करो, straight करो, blow dry करो. You know,
But very
natural is natural.
Amazing, Rupinder. I'm so impressed.
Thank
you know,
you.
putting your footprints in Ludhiana, and your Ludhiana clinic is now how old?
5 years old.
5 years, and now setting up another one in Gurgaon. I mean, hats off to you.
Blessed, and all your help and all your blessings and everything.
Thank you.
Ekta, now that I have shown you my clinic, let's sit in my consulting room and have a nice cup of tea.
Perfect. So, Rupinder, I met you 3 years back. You were a winner of Jewel of India Season 1.
Yes.
And you know, आप मुझे उस समय भी इतनी अच्छी लगती थी और आप मेरी अभी भी बहुत अच्छी सहेली हो. I just wanted to ask you, you know, that time also when I saw you, and now that your journey after 3 years, you've just grown, and grown in terms of professionally also, grown in terms of personally also. So क्या ये journey जब आपने मुझे बोला कि आप एक छोटे से गांव से हो, खेरा in पंजाब, जहाँ पे लड़कियों को education भी नहीं देते. How did it all happen for you?
My family, I told you, already had 5 girls, my buas, and I was the 6th one. So for every girl, there was a simple journey. You just turn 18 and get married and have kids and do the household work. And हर एक की family में chaos तो होता है. Then education, studies, or you can say books was my getaway. तो जब भी घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती थी मैं आई यूज टू जस्ट कैरी माई बुक रन ऑफ टू सम हिडन कॉर्नर एंड सिट देयर एंड स्टडी एंड आई सॉ एजुकेशन एज माई वे आउट फ्रॉम दैट स्मॉल place, and then God has been kind. I did well throughout my exams. You know, in India, it is your report card that shows what your worth is, which is not a great thing. People can be good at other things. I always got good grades, and then, you know, family doesn't have an option other than put you for higher education if you are doing well in your grades. Yes.
And वहाँ से मेडिकल की जर्नी कैसे शुरू हुई आपकी?
मेडिकल की जर्नी एक तो सबकी एक तरीके ही शुरू होती है कि आपके 10th में बहुत अच्छे ग्रेड्स आ जाते हैं, तो अगर आपका बच्चा अच्छा कर रहा है तो दो ही चीज़ें करेगा, या इंजीनियर बनेगा या डॉक्टर बनेगा।
आई थिंक 20 साल पहले तो वही होता था,
हाँ,
ओनली
वही
टू
था।
रिस्पेक्टेड प्रोफेशंस, ईदर इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर।
2003 में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, तो आई टुक मेडिकल एज माय मेन स्ट्रीम एंड देन सम गॉट इनटू द एंट्रेंस टेस्ट। वो रैट रेस था तब तो, एवरीवन इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर पीएमटी, यू आर आल्सो प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर पीएमटी, देन you just crack it, you get a seat and you start your MBBS journey. But it wasn't until I got into medical school that I realized that I really love medicine. It was after I started studying medicine that I realized, okay, I want to be a doctor. तब तक तो मुझे था कि ग्रेजुएशन करनी है किसी भी चीज़ के लिए, इवन इफ आई वांट टू गो फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विसेज, आई वाज वेरी इंस्पायर्ड बाय किरण बेदी जी। आई वांटेड टू बी एन IPS ऑफिसर, बट देन उसके लिए भी ग्रेजुएशन तो करनी थी। आई थॉट आफ्टर MBBS आई विल राइट UPSC एंड देन आई विल गो फॉर IPS। बट वंस आई गॉट इनटू MBBS एंड आई डिड माय इंटर्नशिप इन गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, I loved working in medicine. I loved listening to their problems, resolving them. It was a very gratifying field of work. तो फिर मैं डॉक्टर ही बन के रह गई।
सो डॉक्टर 10 साल लगते होंगे डॉक्टर बनने में आफ्टर योर ग्रेजुएशन?
I entered my medical college in 2006. Then I entered my MD in dermatology in 2013. Passed in
Wow.
2016. या सो टोटल 10 साल हो गए।
सो एक चीज़ मुझे बताओ कि आप देखने में यू आर वेरी गुड लुकिंग, you have a good personality, I would say. You know, people look at you when you come, when you enter somewhere. But was this on your advantage of becoming a doctor?
I did not Ekta, because I was not a good looking child at all till I went to my medical school. Till I came out of my medical school, I was this chubby round person with lots of acne, with oily hair, always tied into 2 braids, wearing very horrible clothes and sandals. तो मुझे ना ये कभी फील नहीं हुआ. It was only after I completed my MD and I became a dermatologist, I realized that it is harder to make people trust you. If you are a little presentable, they end up thinking though you might have had an advantage or you might have gotten it easy. He
You know,
got her
dermatologist
everything.
कैसे आप बने?
If you look at my clinic, it's a perfect blend of meeting people, doing OPD, doing procedures, right? It's not like you're only doing one thing, you're only doing knee replacements, you're only doing spine corrections and you're not doing OPD. So, but I wanted a blend. I didn't want to be a pure surgeon. So dermatology is a beautiful blend of OPD and surgery. So I'm a dermatosurgeon. I do hair transplants. I do a lot of injectables. I get to do a lot of work with my hand. But I also get to treat conditions like hair fall, acne, pigmentation. So it's a beautiful blend. It's a beautiful branch.
Because I remember, and if you can also put some light on it, या 20 साल पहले किसी को पता नहीं था कि what is dermatology, like skin care भी कोई चीज़ होती है. I just want to know, like your personality, did this also develop with the kind of field that you've chosen?
Of course, absolutely it did. The college only makes you a doctor, but to become an entrepreneur, you have to be in a different setup. It's only how well I understand what you are saying, and that comes with communication. So I used to work overtime, I used to work over weekends, so I got to meet a lot of people, and that's how I got groomed. People who are not qualified enough are fascinated by this field and want to practice, think of it as quick money, but do not have proper licensing and degrees. They end up posing themselves as cosmetologists, aestheticians. There's no licensed practitioner as aesthetician. They want to get things done, but they end up getting it done from wrong people.
Yeah.
So now people are aware that these things are there, but they are not aware who is the right person to do it.
But you so rightly said, you know, that when you're in a people's business, when you are talking to so many people, you have an emotive connect with all of them. जिसे हमारे नारी फर्स्ट में भी हम कहते हैं personality development. You know, you may be very good at your skill, but you need to become a successful entrepreneur. These things, you know, building confidence, having that personality, and having people to trust you, it is so important. कि हम लोग भी जब अपने में grooming classes देते हैं नारी फर्स्ट में, हम इसीलिए देते हैं that you become a better version of yourself. You know, these are the things which which I think anybody who wants to be in a line where it's being an entrepreneur or being a successful businessman, I think सभी के लिए बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप बहुत अच्छे अपने स्किल में होगे, बट अगर आपसे मैं कंफर्टेबल ही नहीं होंगी कुछ प्रोसीजर कराने में, तो you can't push me to do that.
But I always had this boundary with women. When I joined Kaya, it is a corporate. Most of the things are done by managers. Patients are not treated like patients. They are just treated like money extraction sources, right? And so most of them were irate. So I had only seen women angry, women complaining, women dissatisfied, and never actually knew their true story and the emotions behind it. It is when I came to Nari First Season 1, I actually afterwards I became a girl's girl, because no matter how beautiful a woman is, no matter how accomplished you feel she is, you might think that she is getting everything easy, but it is not so. Every woman who has come out of her house to do something which 90% women are not doing, whether it's aesthetics, whether it's a pageant, whether it's going to a simple job, she's already making an effort. It's already taking a lot of hidden effort, and I learned to appreciate that effort after coming to Nari First Season 1 Jewel of India. That experience really humbled me, and it taught me to appreciate every woman for every small effort that she is
Absolutely.
making.
The resilience in what they are
yeah.
doing, कि करना है, बस करना है. हम अपने आप को सोचते हैं, हमें लगता है कि oh my God, look at me, मैं सुबह उठ के I have to do this, I have to do that, and when you hear other women, then you realize, कि हमने हमारा तो इतना % भी नहीं होगा जिस % पे वो काम कर रही है. बट जब आप ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आते हो, आप प्रोफेशनल्स देखते हो, गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट, डॉक्टर्स, होम मेकर्स, जिम इंस्ट्रक्टर्स, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, एंड व्हेन यू मीट देम, व्हेन यू टॉक टू देम, व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड देयर स्टोरी, तब आपको लगता है यार आप तो बहुत ही छोटे हो इसके अंदर. उनकी बात उनको सुनो, अब दे आर द रियल हीरोज व्हाट दे आर डूइंग इन लाइफ. सो रुपिंदर, इफ यू आर ओके, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू समथिंग पर्सनल, एंड मैंने भी कभी आपसे इतनी डिटेलिंग इस बारे में पूछा नहीं, बट आई थिंक वुमेन वुड लाइक टू नो कि यार योर प्रीवियस मैरिज did not work. क्या हुआ था, and how did you get out of it to achieve this that you are right now?
No matter what you do professionally or academically, for every girl in our country, the ultimate destination is to get married well. If you are not married well, if you don't look happily married on the outer front, you are not successful. I was preparing for my MD entrance. That is when a marriage proposal came.
So it was arranged marriage?
It was an arranged marriage. Everything looked great and went ahead.
वो भी डॉक्टर थे आपके साथ?
हाँ, it was a quick marriage. फटाक से मिले, फटाक से शादी होगी, बहुत अच्छी फैमिली, everything great. But with time, I realized that this marriage is not what a marriage is. It was just a social front. It was not a marriage. It was just a social.
दो डॉक्टर्स की शादी हुई, फैमिली बैकग्राउंड सेम थे, तो क्यों आप मतलब why did it break? Like what was the reason?
Some people should not get married, and they certainly should not get married to each other. And even though to the world it all looks very amazing on the outside, and you can't pinpoint what is wrong there, but it is just a marriage for people to see.
So compatibility issues थे?
In today's world, a lot of women would be going through that trauma, where the other person is living in another world. They have a different identity which they don't know, the partners don't know, or they know and they have just accepted it as their fate, because maybe they are too embarrassed.
So उन्होंने भी societal pressure की वजह से आपसे शादी करी?
Yes.
कोई emotional attachment थी ही नहीं कभी?
I too did stay for 4.5 years.
4.5 years?
Yes.
जो वो marriage नाम का M भी नहीं था उसमें?
Yes, but
tell me one thing, उस समय I'm talking about 20 years back something, क्या blame आप ही पे था कि आप marriage तोड़ना चाहते हैं?
The person who raises the voice and says कि I am not comfortable in this situation, I want out, is always the villain.
Yeah.
Because you are
सही बोल रहे हो आप,
breaking the norm there. You are expressing your discomfort. You are the one who wants something better for yourself, and you become the villain. You know why most of the women stay in the marriages where they should not be staying? Because they want this validation. Oh, she's a very nice girl. She's adjusting to the situation.
And if she raises, she'll be the rebel. शी डजंट वांट टू बी द बैड वुमन. चाहे वो बैड रिलेशनशिप में रहें, टॉक्सिक इन्वायरमेंट में रह सकती हैं, बट दे डोंट वांट कि बाहर हमारे बारे में पीपल शुड से दैट वाज हर फॉल्ट.
When you go out and you tell somebody, okay, you are not happy in this situation and you want to change your circumstances, you are asked two questions. Are you being physically beaten and abused? You say no. Is he going around with somebody else? Is he cheating on you? And you say no. Then the next question is, then why do you want to get out of it? Why are you uncomfortable?
There can be so many other factors
Yes,
that
other
you
than
don't even want.
physical
Exactly.
abuse and adultery, our society does not recognize any other basis for ending a marriage.
Yeah.
Everything else is just you being non-adjusting and you being non-flexible.
So tell me, उस समय पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट था?
शुरू में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. The whole legal and all process was very daunting and it was very difficult time.
I'm sure, yeah.
It was financially also very difficult time because आपका सब कुछ वहीं रह गया. आपके बेसिक कपड़े भी वहीं रह गए हैं. आपकी बुक्स, आपकी चाइल्डहुड फोटोग्राफ्स जो दोबारा बनाई भी नहीं जा सकती, सब कुछ वहीं रह गया है. और nobody gives anything back. Let me tell you that. आप एक सैलरीड जॉब पे हो, ठीक है, आप भूखे नहीं मरोगे, but that's all you will have. So it was a legal battle that went on for 4 years. But only good thing that happened during that process was that I did not stop pursuing my further education. I did my MD while I was in that marriage, and again that was my rescue, that was my safe space. I made such good friends during my MD, and dermatology itself was such a fascinating field that I created another world for me.
So you took like your shelter in something which you enjoyed doing.
Yes,
and you
yes.
yeah, so वो होता है ना कि एक जगह से आप हट के अपना दिमाग एक कंस्ट्रक्टिव चीज में लगा रहे थे, which was good. And Rupinder, why I asked you this question personally was because a lot of women are going through it. पहले भी, अभी भी, and you so rightly said that a lot of them don't even express or talk about it, even if they are into a toxic relationship or knowing the fact that they are not happy into it and mentally, physically, but it is very important to get out of it, and it is very hard. बट बट जब आप अपने आप को पीछे देखते होगे, आपको लगता होगा यार, आई थिंक दैट वाज गुड एंड द राइट डिसीजन आई मेड एट दैट टाइम.
Now when I look back, yes, but even then I knew this is the right decision for me. But the courage and financial independence, the financial independence gives you courage. Financial independence, I'm not telling that you should be flourishing, having
But at least you can get a job for yourself
should,
and be independent and not supported by your parents.
Yes.
Yeah.
थोड़ा बेसिक कुछ आपका
Exactly.
हो,
Yeah.
मेंटल थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथ बना के यू कैन कम आउट ऑफ इट एंड यू मस्ट. ये जो गुड गर्ल सिंड्रोम हमारी मदर्स ने ही हमारे दिमाग में भरा हुआ है ना, ये जो सोसाइटी का, परिवार की सारी इज्जत बनाने का बोझा जो लड़कियों के सिर पे डाल देते हैं ना, दैट इज रॉन्ग. You put so many hours, so much money, so much time, and sometimes it doesn't work. Same way, you put so much emotion, so much money, so much time into a marriage, and sometimes it doesn't work. But why so much shame around it? If I go back now and if I think, suppose I had not left that situation, I'm telling you for sure I would not even have existed today. Maybe because I would have gotten so depressed. I would have thought this life is not worth living, and I would have probably done something and disappeared from this world altogether.
तभी तो लड़कियों को बोलते हैं ना कि it's okay if your parents are very well off, or your brother or your husband, and he's really like taking care, but it's so important to be independent. अगर कभी कोई situation आए, you can take care of yourself. I always say कि यार लड़का हो लड़की हो दोनों को, अब तो I think the norms are changing, and if we talk about our kids, I mean the values we give to a boy or a girl, it's the same. It is okay if two people cannot get along situationally, or आपके compatibility issues है, and it is okay to openly talk about it and move out, because nobody is a bad human being. It's just that you've been in a wrong place at a wrong time with wrong person. Don't feel sorry about it. तभी हम नारी फर्स्ट में क्या बोलते हैं, we don't want to believe in titles. You're Miss, Mrs, divorce, single, 40 में कोई भी बोलता है आपकी शादी नहीं हुई अभी तक, मतलब how does that matter? उसकी शादी से उसकी आइडेंटिटी का क्या लेना देना है?
The day we stop completing ourselves with marriages, okay, your journey is only complete if you are married and you have kids. Everyone's completion can be different. Someone may feel completed with an empire, with certain financial goals completed. Someone may feel completed with traveling so many countries and someone might feel completed with a marriage and having children.
Absolutely,
it's okay,
yeah.
everything is okay, but सबका एक ही डेस्टिनेशन कैसे हो सकता है लाइफ में?
ये बातें हम छोड़ते हैं. Now you're in a beautiful phase of
Yeah.
your life. You are now from one person and three, your husband and your daughter. She's going to be one now.
Yes.
तो, अब आप मुझे थोड़ा बताओ कि लुधियाना से आपका क्लिनिक 5 साल हो गए वहाँ पे करते हुए, एंड हाउ डिड इट ऑल स्टार्टेड इन गुड़गांव?
ये तो लव स्टोरी ही है एक तरीके से. आई मेट माई हस्बैंड, तो आई मेट दिस गाय एंड everything is great. I like him. I like him as in I met him. I fell in love with him. I thought, okay, this and I want to get married to this fellow. But then there is one big problem. He lives in completely different world, so far away. I have a business running here.
Yeah.
I was courageous enough. I thought, okay, let's take it on as a challenge. एंड लेट्स ट्राई टू रन 2 clinics. आगे देखेंगे क्या होता है. शुरू तो करें, पहले कैसे हथियार डाल दें. नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा, ठीक है. मतलब वी फेल एट वेंचर्स. वी गॉट मैरिड एंड देन रबनूर वाज ऑन द वे and I was
I know,
traveling.
and you had a hard pregnancy also. It
Yes.
wasn't very easy for you.
Yes.
And I remember आपके क्लिनिक का भी काम चल रहा होता था, प्लस आपकी प्रेगनेंसी को लेके भी you had health issues. और मुझे याद है वो टाइम जब आप प्रेग्नेंट होने के बाद भी लुधियाना अपनी ट्रेन में जा रहे हो, वहाँ का क्लिनिक संभाल के फिर you are coming back. And I was like, how do you do it all? You were always very excited कि नहीं, I have to do it because I enjoy doing this.
तो एक था जब मैं आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग एंड रबनूर वाज ऑन द वे. सो मेरे लुधियाना वाले क्लिनिक में इतना ही बड़ा कंसल्टिंग रूम है हमारा, एंड आई यूज्ड टू वर्क इन दैट क्लिनिक इन द डे टाइम एंड पुट माई बेड देयर एट नाइट एंड स्लीप देयर इटसेल्फ. सो आई वाज लिविंग इन माई लुधियाना क्लिनिक. मैं वहीं काम कर रही थी, वहीं सो रही थी. बट येस, योर first clinic is like your first child.
Yeah.
You can't actually just leave it alone, and there are so many people who have trusted me for their skin and hair health, and I am their doctor. It's a responsibility as well, you know. Doctor is not what you become, it's who you become. It's not something like a store or a showroom that you know shut down and people can just buy that thing from somewhere else. It's a heightened responsibility and you can't just leave it like that.
Yeah. अब आप हफ्ते में 2 बार जाते हो लुधियाना?
Yeah, I travel. जैसे गए ट्यूसडे मॉर्निंग गए और वेंसडे नाइट आई कम बैक, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी हैव अनदर डॉक्टर एट लुधियाना क्लिनिक, एंड वी हैव बीन सो लकी. व्हेन गॉड गिव्स यू अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड you show the courage to accept it, it shows you the way.
Yeah, I've seen you. You're a living example of, you know, मुझे पता है सुबह 6:30 की शताब्दी लेते हो, वहाँ जाते हो, कई बार तो काम करके ओवरनाइट ही आते थे कई बार तो, और अदरवाइज 2 days, and it's not easy in a week if you have to go by train to Ludhiana and come back, and you have a very young kid. That's what I say, you know, passionate entrepreneurs. So it's, you know, all you need is a consistency and passion to do anything, and I think Rupinder is you're a living example.
Thank
Honestly,
you.
you know, because you're so passionate for your work. आपने अपनी weakness को भी strength में, when you were having a bad phase in your life, you converted it, you being into a, you know, derma line, and you made the full use of it कि मेरे को इसके ऊपर करना है. Then you became independent, and now after having a kid, after moving, you know, it's easy नहीं होता अपना base छोड़ के कहीं और clinic set up करना. बहुत challenges होते हैं, financial, mental, physical, but you did it all, and it's only because your consistency, your passion about your job, that how passionate I am about, and nothing can stop me. तो अब थोड़ा एक रैपिड फायर भी खेलते हैं before we do a closure, and it's going to be नारी फर्स्ट का रैपिड फायर करेंगे.
Okay.
और ठीक है?
To the best of my abilities.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So season 1 या season 3, your favorite season?
Season 1.
आपकी favorite finalist जो season 3 की थी. She may not be the winner also, so your favorite pick?
My favorite was the winner, no? Dr. Ishita.
डॉक्टर इशिता.
Yeah.
ये इसलिए तो नहीं क्योंकि वो भी डॉक्टर पार्शलिटी हो रही हो?
डॉक्टर बनना बड़ा मुश्किल है. So that gives some brownie points, but no, she was so amazing, cute and pretty and.
क्रूज में पेजेंट करना या गोवा में बीच के ऊपर पेजेंट करना?
Season 1, I loved the cruise.
ओके. आपकी सबसे फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट जो आपकी फ्रेंड भी बनी हो सीजन 1 से?
Season 1 से नीलिमा मेरी फ्रेंड.
I think that's the best part. I think when you meet somebody, you may not be friends with all 100 of them, but आपके 5-6 इतने close friends बन जाते हैं, they become like an extended family, है ना?
Yes.
How was your Mauritius experience?
It was like a girl's trip for me. Honestly, I did not go there thinking about the pageant. I was going through a very tricky phase of my life at that time, and it was a good holiday.
एंड सीजन 3 में आपका सबसे फेवरेट टैलेंट राउंड किसका था?
कीर्ति.
ओके.
Yes.
जिन्होंने पंजाबी डांस किया
Yes,
था.
yes.
एंड द मोस्ट ग्लैमरस कंटेस्टेंट सीजन 3 की कौन थी?
डॉक्टर युवराजा सिंधु.
युवराजा सिंधु.
Dr.
Yes, वो मेरी भी
Sindhu,
फेवरेट है. शी इज
yes,
वेरी प्रिटी.
she
आई थिंक.
looked-
सो कोई ऐसा जज जो आपको लगा हो कि यू नो स्टैंडिंग आउट?
स्टैंडिंग आउट एज इन स्टैंडिंग आउट हमारे डिसीजन से अलग चल रहा
एग्जैक्टली
हो
एग्जैक्टली. या
कि हम सब नॉर्थ जा रहे हैं और
वो
वो साउथ
south
जा
जा
रहा
रहा
हो.
है, हाँ.
मुझे लगता है कि हर चीज को लेके हमारा प्रियंका उन्हों का कुछ अलग ही टीम चल रहा हो उसका, बिकॉज शी वाज द व्हाट यू से वो
Mentor also,
मेंटोर थी ना, तो उसका जज करने का तरीका अलग भी था.
तो मतलब प्रियंका साउथ जा रही थी, आप सारे नॉर्थ. आई थिंक वन पर्सन हु वाज द मोस्ट स्माइलिंग फेस ऑफ सीजन 3.
Suman was always
Suman Chadda,
was
huh?
always happy, smiling, cheerful.
Okay, so this brings an end to our rapid fire, and you did fairly okay. So this brings us to the end of a beautiful podcast when one of my favorite Dr. Rupinder Khera. आपने उनकी जर्नी तो देखी होगी कि हाउ यू नो ऑफ स्मॉल टाउन इन पंजाब to coming to Gurgaon and setting up 2 state-of-art clinics. You know, the woman has achieved everything, and this is what the true winner of Nari First looks like. ये इनकी podcast में इसलिए आपको बोल रही थी देखने के लिए because you know it gives you strength, it gives you the courage that अगर हमें कुछ करना है लाइफ तो हमें ना ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि हम कैसे करेंगे. You should just have that belief कि हम कर सकते हैं. This Mother's Day I will be bringing you a lot more podcasts with these kind of strong Nari First ladies जिनको आप देख सकते हैं, जिनकी आप रियल टॉक्स, रियल कहानियाँ सुन सकते हैं. फॉर मोर सच पॉडकास्ट प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड सी यू ऑल वेरी सून.